subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Rinku, and I'm gonna teach you guys different technique for beginner and advanced level of art. Hi guys, today we're gonna make a cute cupcake. You just need three things. You need a pencil, eraser, and a color pencil, and a piece of paper. So let's get started. First, I'm making a little straight line at the bottom of my paper. Take your time. There we go, good job. Now what I'm doing here, I'm going to make a diagonal line going toward the right side up, and then another diagonal line I'm making on the left side. There we go, good job. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna make some wavy line. See, I'm going up and down, same motion, up and down. There we go, good job. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna make some curved line on the left and curved line on the right. So I'm making my first curve over here and my another curve to the right side. Make sure they're pretty much even shape. This line I'm bringing a little bit closer to the inside. Same thing with this one as well. We'll go a little bit inside. Then I'm adding my second layer over here. But this layer is a little bit inside. This is not same like the other one. A little bit inside. And you do the same thing on the other side. There we go, good job. Very nice, you guys doing super good. Now see what I'm doing? I'm doing the same thing. I'm bringing this line a little bit down here, and then bringing this line a little bit down over here as well. Now I'm making my third layer here. So for the third layer, I'm making a curved line there and a curved line here. Now for this layer, what we will do, I'm gonna make some U shape. Come down, again go up, we'll come down again, you can make a little bit more deeper and go back, and same thing, a little bit more deeper here and go up and connect here. And if you have any line coming inside this chocolate drip, this is going to be a chocolate drip, so if any line is coming inside the chocolate drip, so you can just erase this line. Good. Now what I'm doing here, I'm gonna make another curved line from left to right, which will come and connect over here. Making a circle shape here. One on the left side, another on the right side. Take your time to make it little circle. There we go, good job. Now you can make one medium circle inside and one small circle inside. We'll do the same thing here. Medium circle inside and a small circle inside. That looks cute. Now I'm making a nice smiley line over here, and from that smiley line I'm bringing one line down, make a U-turn, go back up and connect over here. Very good, beautiful, good job guys. Now what I'm doing an upside down number 3. So for the bow, I'm doing a little circle, making that circle smaller, and make a curved line going to the right, curved line going to the bottom, and write a number 3 like a heart shape. It's pretty much a heart shape. There we go. Now I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Curved line here, another curved line here, and connect. Very good. Good job. So I'm making a wavy line here. We'll go all the way from left to right. Alright, now we will take our color pencil, or you can take your marker, and we'll trace the outline of our cupcake. Make sure you go slowly and trace each and every line. We'll do a big circle, a medium circle, and a small circle. Also, you trace the outline of the smiley. There we go. We don't want to color this one inside. First, we want to erase that, and after erasing, we'll color inside the eyes. So now take your eraser, and what I'm doing here is I'm going with my eraser very light. And also you color inside the eyes. Color our cupcake. So kids, if you are interested in my personal lesson, please visit my website link, and I put it in the description. So for this, we need all our rainbow colors, and also you need a brown for this little chocolate drip. I'm coloring inside this chocolate part, inside this cake part. So I want to make it a cute lemon cupcake. If you want to use your pink, if you like strawberry, please go ahead and color it pink. And be a little careful while you're going close to the eyes. If you are new to this channel, you can please go ahead and subscribe this channel. I upload very cute videos. We're done coloring the cake over here. Now we will not color this chocolate area right now, the chocolate drip, because if we color that, the color will come and bleed inside this yellow. Okay, so we'll keep that part now. And right now I want to color the bow here, so I'm coloring it a little bit of orange. I took my tiny bit of orange and I'm doing it very lightly. Very good, good job. If you want to use a different color bow, of course you can do that. And I'm using my little pink here for the bow. I added the orange inside. Good job, guys. You're doing super good. Now we'll color this cup area. So I want to color this rainbow. So let me take my first, I'll start with my red. So I'm gonna color this line with my red. Inside this line, I'm coloring with my red. Go slowly, make sure you feel inside. You'll hear me all the time that go slowly, because if you go fast, there is a high chances of making mistakes. So it's better to go slow so you make less mistakes. Okay, there we go. Very nice. I'm gonna use my orange in the next line. So next line, I don't have any extra line. If you want, you can add some extra line with your pencil and do this one. I don't want to use more pencil line here, so I've just used my orange here, and then I'm gonna use my yellow on the next line. There we go. See, I'm blending this nicely. There we go. I just made a little line here. And that's it. Also take your little bit of red and color it inside the mouth. Alrighty, now I'm gonna take my chocolate color. What is the chocolate color? It's brown. Try to take your dark brown. If you do not have it, you can mix it and make your own dark brown. You can add light brown and a little bit of black, which will give you a color of a dark brown. Okay, and you can just add the color inside. Go slow. And if you're new to this channel and haven't subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to this channel. Please let me know how you like this video, and if you want to watch more videos like this, or if you want to watch something else. And I'm gonna make some little dots over here. See, from the tip of my brush, I'm just creating some little dot. It's optional, you don't have to, but if you want to, yeah. Also, I want to add some eyelashes here. So you can add some curvy line with your color pencil or your markers, and that's it. We're done with our beautiful cupcakes. Let me know, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Hey guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel.